All right, today I'm going to show you how to capture vibrant underwater colors with the Hero 12 Black, but this also applies to any other GoPro ever made. Now, when you're shooting underwater, one thing happens. The deeper you go, the more colors of the light spectrum you lose. The first color to go is red, so that's what we're going to be focusing on primarily today. So, when you're diving down, you lose red. And what's going to happen is your video footage is going to turn out very green or very blue, depending on the watercolor. So we've developed this 3-pack of filters that's gonna cover you from everything from snorkeling all the way through diving down to 80 feet in Hawaii or any tropical colored water. So basically when the red filter's in front of the camera, it's actually filtering out blue. So it's the opposite color of red is blue, and that's what it's gonna be filtering out. That's why this is for filming in blue tropical water. Whereas the magenta one's gonna actually filter out the opposite color of the color wheel, which is green. So filming in green, kind of your classic California coast or even freshwater diving. And that's gonna help color balance because the camera's white balance thinks that those colors are in front of it even though they're not, which is why your video is gonna turn out really green in green water or really blue in blue water. So how do these work? You gotta use the protective housing so the GoPro goes right in there, you seal it up, and the filters are just gonna slide right on in front of it. Now you'll notice that there is a snorkel filter, similar shade to the red filter, but not as dark. So this is gonna be perfect for color balancing everything from 2 down to about 15 feet. And then we've got the red filter, which is gonna be for color balancing everything from 12 down to 80 feet. Now it'll work down to 80 if visibility is really good, but if it's not, you're gonna need to bring in external lights at that point anyway, anything below 80. And then the magenta filter is gonna work from about 12 all the way down to 65 feet, generally not below 65 feet in green water because the visibility is not that great and you will need to bring back in external light sources. So the 3 filters, super easy to use, great way to capture underwater vibrant colors with your new GoPro Hero 12 Black.